Hi, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. Today we're going to show everybody a product everyone's been talking about on the forums, HOV stickers. Everybody's been getting these white ones and red ones now, and a lot of people are really concerned about putting them on the vehicle because of the anti-theft super strong adhesive. Now these will tear into pieces and or stick to your paint and your clear coat if you put them directly on the car. Apparently they're phasing out the white ones. They're going to be switching over to red. And a lot of people just don't want to put them directly on their car. And there's a lot of materials out there that will allow for removal and tearing off, but then there's the theft issue. So we think we've got a good solution. It's just 3M Scotchgard Clear Bra paint protection film. And we're going to show you how to put it on, how simple it is. We're going to put one on in each position, show you how it fits right on here. You clean the surface of the vehicle, and the larger one goes here, the smaller one goes here, and with the red ones, you've got to put one on the front as well as 3 on the back. So anyway, this is how it works. We've got a pattern here. We've got 4 decals, so this will work for the 3 white patterns or the 4 red. But all we do is simply get a level surface and peel it off. We're going to put the decal directly on the film, and we left enough of a border to leave about 1/8 of an inch gap all the way around it. So you can see now this is stuck on here, but we have a border. So we left a border on the bottom and on the side. So if you want to take it off your car, you'll be able to take it off your car. It's also going to stay on here forever if you don't want to take it off. But if you have to take it off at the end of January, when they start issuing the red stickers that are going to surpass the white, you just might want to take it off. So anyway, peel it off the car. And we're going to give you a squeegee to put it on with. But you're simply going to take this sticker, which is stuck to the 3M paint protection film, locate the spot you want it in, put it down as low as you want, and stick it on, okay? And squeegee it slowly. You can use a little bit of water solution or some soap, but it's such a small decal, I wouldn't worry about it too much. And then we're going to show you how you take it off, okay? So let's pretend it's January 30th, 2019, and you've got your red stickers and you have to switch these out. There could be an extension issue where they're going to give people extensions, but most likely there's going to be a color change so the police officers can recognize expired versus non-expired. So if you simply peel off your decal from the corner, it does not want to release from this film. So the film, or the 3M Clear Bra paint protection film, is right here. This you simply can take right off your car, just like that. And if it's clean, you can put it right back on. So this is a permanent way to put this decal on, and your decal is stuck to a vinyl decal. That's it. It's that simple. And if you leave a tab at the bottom or at the top, and for some reason you want to pick it off or peel it off, it comes right off. Okay? And after time, it'll be harder to get off. But we remove this same paint protection film from hoods of cars after they've been on a vehicle for years, and it can be stretched and pulled off. So that's it for that one. Now let's take a look at the smaller one. Again, same idea, same material. Peel it off, and we'll stick it right on here in the light. It looks a little easier, and you'll see we have a gap of about 1/4 inch, 1/8 of an inch. Just put it down in the center. Make sure you're not off the edge. So I've got room on the top, the bottom, all the way around. This one we gave a little more extra room on it, or we left extra room around the perimeter because it's smaller. So now it's done, it's ready to go. And we're going to simply peel it off, position it on the back bumper where we want to put it. And again, the other nice thing is, yeah, this is removable, but most criminals or most people that might want to steal this don't know it's going to come off easy because this is invisible paint protection. So you notice the little lip around it. This is invisible to the naked eye at 3 feet. So stand back, you can't tell. Nobody knows that this can be removed from your vehicle except you. So again, we think this is a nice solution. You're never going to damage your clear coat. You're never going to damage your paint. And when the new stickers come out, January 30th, I think, 2019, the red ones, it'll be super easy to swap out. You just simply peel off the corner, take it off, order a new set from RPM Tesla. We'll ship them out to you right away. But it's a great add-on item. It'll make life easier. You won't get tickets in the toll roads or on the freeways in the HOV lane. And again, we recommend just leaving it on. Don't take it on and off like I did, because you will lose the adherence of the adhesive if you keep doing what I'm doing. Keep it on your car. Don't get pulled over. Thanks again, RPM Tesla. HOV sticker decals. Set of 4.